A very good morning, children. I hope all of you are keeping well. Please get ready with your computer books open at page number 67. We'll continue with the chapter. So already we learnt about the new terms that we use in internet. So today our topic is Google Chrome. In the beginning, as you can see, it's a free web browser from Google, and it offers many features that are similar to most web browsers. It also has its unique tools that make it easy to browse the web, and because of its unique features, that is fast, reliable, and offers a variety of tools, it keeps you safe online. For example, it shows you a warning whenever you visit a page that is dangerous, right? So whenever you visit a website in a foreign language, it automatically offers to translate the page also to your native language. So these are the various features which you need to remember. First of all, it's very fast, reliable, and then it keeps you safe online. How it keeps you safe online? Because whenever you visit a different page which is dangerous, it will obviously show you a warning. And it also offers to translate the page for you into your native language when you visit some other foreign language. So that these are the various features which are useful while using Google Chrome. Then next is Google Chrome's interface. The interface of Google Chrome is shown below, as you can see here, right? Tab, navigation buttons, address bar, omnibox, add bookmark, Chrome menu. Now, what are navigation buttons? The back and forward buttons allow you to switch between sites you have recently visited, and the refresh button reloads the current website. Okay, so it helps you to move back or forward using this back forward buttons. It helps you to switch between sites that you have recently visited. Suppose you are watching some music over the you have searched for some music somewhere, and then you have moved on to the next tab. Using the next tab, you have moved on to the next search option, and you were looking for some other storybook or anything, I suppose, and then again you want to visit the music site. Again, you can easily press on the back button and you can go. And again, if you want to go on to the storybook tab, again if you want to go, you can press on the forward button. Like that, you can keep switching the sites. Then the tabs, Chrome allows you to view multiple websites in the same window using tabs. You know that already. Like you can open YouTube in one tab, you can open another YouTube in another tab. It's very simple. And just click a tab to view the page. If the tabs are opened already, and you can easily click on the tabs and you can visit that page. So to create a new tab, you have to click the new button, right? So that's it. Or you can press on this button over here. So that's very simple. Tech help is very important. You have to press Ctrl+T to open a new tab. And children, don't forget to put today's date. Please put today's date on the top of the page number 67. On top, you please put the date.